Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna or Queen D and today I am so excited. It is Jeffree Star mystery boxes for summer. I have been waiting for these boxes to get here, and I've been seeing everyone's videos go up and I have not watched anything because I wanted to be surprised with what is inside of these boxes. So let's go ahead and get to opening these right now. So since I got two boxes, I am gonna start out with opening the mini first and then saving the big Supreme for the end. So let's go ahead and open up this mini. Couldn't find my scissors, so I'm using a pen to open this because this is what I've resorted to. I don't know how this box is supposed to open. Wait, no, this is right. Okay, we got it, guys. Okay, so lots of tissue paper, but it's green. I like green. Money. Like, okay, I'm not gonna lie. I was really excited for the money palette and the spring one. I was hoping I'd get it, but I didn't get the I got the Jawbreaker palette instead, which I'm like living for because that's actually what I have on my eye today. So I'm just kind of like feeling around. I can kind of feel things, so I'm just gonna like, I don't know. Do I just like take the whole thing out? It's like one big thing. Okay. Oh, I see lots more green. Okay, so here is what is in here. I'm gonna go ahead and take out this first thing, which is from the money collection. I believe this is probably another eyeliner. This is an automatic eyeliner, and this is in Gold Digger. I love that. The little packaging looks like a little brown. So let's go ahead and see what is in here. I love that these like slide out. Oh, it is a brown. Yes, it is a brown. I love brown eyeliner. So this is gonna go perfect because I do actually already have a green eyeliner, which I got in the spring box this year. Okay, cool. So what else? What else is in here? This is a velour liquid lipstick, and oh, this must be like the limited edition one. I don't think it has a name. It just has like this like little symbol on it, which it does look like the J Star Ranch collection, which I believe that the bigger boxes have those eyeshadow palettes in here. So I'm just gonna like break along this line and we're gonna take a peek at it, see what's in here, or see really if it has a name on it or not, and see what color it really is. Oh my god, it's like the perfect nude. Oh, perfect. Yeah, it does not have a name on it, but this is literally like a perfect, it's almost like what I have on now. Like literally almost what I have on now. I'm just gonna do a little swatch on the back of my hand just so we can really see it. Yeah, it just looks like a rosy kind of pink mauve color. I really like this. I mean, like I said, it really matches my lips right now. Ooh, yay. Oh, so excited. Okay, so let's see what this gloss is. It's the gloss. This is in Succulent. Oh, what kind of succulent? Like a green succulent? I don't know. It's a gloss, so let's find out. All right, so. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. It's like a duochrome pink. There's like pink and gold, but blue and purple. Oh, this is, we're gonna put it on right now. Did y'all see that? Oh, this is cool. And it works for the eye look. I'm not even gonna lie, because it's just like it kind of matches. That's cute. Okay. Okay. All right, so we do have some more single eyeshadows, which I got in the spring box. This one is called Wealthy. It looks like a beige kind of color. Maybe a little bit of green in it, but mostly beige. And then there's this other one called Cute. And it looks like a turquoisey kind of color. Hold on. Let me take this out for you. Okay, and this is Cute. And then let's check out Wealthy. Yeah, and Wealthy is like a nude. It's just a simple nude. Oh, really cool. So I actually have like a magnetic, oh my God, I have like a magnetic palette that I've been putting these in so far. So cool. All right, that is everything in the mini. So let's go ahead and open up the Supreme. Alrighty, so let's get to opening up the Supreme box. Again, I'm using a pen because I don't know where my scissors are. Cut straight down and along these edges. I really do not cut towards yourself. I'm also using a pen, but still, safety. We got her open. Ooh, yellow. I love yellow. I've been really into yellow. Oh my God, look how bright yellow this box is. Okay, so it's a box within a box, y'all, but I'm loving this yellow already. Yellow is very underrated. Oh, first off, my names are yellow. Look at the cute little sunflowers. Okay. Okay, also, Jeffree was doing these like pink tickets. Obviously, the mini did not have it. I don't think the mini came with minis. I don't know, or with a ticket, but there could be a pink ticket in here, which could give me something amazing. Who knows? Okay, let me try and get this. Oh, spin. I did pick a clothing item in this box, and I did pick, I think the size is on this. I did pick medium. I picked small in the spring box, and it fit well. It was a little form-fitting, so I do think after like a few more washes, it'll probably shrink up on me. But anyways, let's see what this is. Okay, so there's like a little stick right here. What's it say? It says, y'all, this is a hand mirror. This is one of the hand mirrors. I do not have one of his hand mirrors. This one says Pink Sickle, on the side of it, so that's cute. Okay, come on, Megan, let me in. I'm like so excited. Oh, how cute. It's like a little popsicle. It's a little popsicle hand. Oh, look how cute that is. Oh, this is so cute. I saw they made a Neapolitan one as well, but oh, look how cute the little pink one is. I love that they have these little holes so you can like hang them up. I know people collect these. This is my first ever Jeffree Star mirror, so really, really cute. Oh, I love that it looks like a giant little popsicle. Oh, that's cute. All right, so what else is in here? Okay, hold on for a second. If there's nothing, okay, there's nothing in there. Okay, from what I can see directly in here, I don't see a pink ticket. So, but anyways, let's go ahead and see what this is. I think, based on what this looks like, I think it is probably a single shadow holder, just a guess, but I'm almost positive that that's what this is, like almost positive. Why? I'm having really trouble with some packaging today. And it's gotta be a magnet. It doesn't tell you what it is. It just says Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Literally has no other description with it at all. And look at me, I'm like over here dropping the shadows. I'm just gonna see if this one will pop in there. Got the shadow out, got this out. Magnets, so perfect. So this is where I can put all of the little single eyeshadows that I have that are just strictly Jeffree Star now, which makes that a little easier. Because I did get, I think I got 3 from the cremated palette, like individual shadows from my spring box. So, all right, so let's see what this is. I believe, just guessing, yep, it is. This is the Star Ranch palette. This is going to be for retail sale later on. But if you got the summer boxes, you got it early. So this is the Star Ranch palette. He did not show us at all what was in here, what this looked like. And I haven't watched anybody's videos to see or to know what this looks like at all. Like, I have no idea. So he said they were very wearable. So let us see. I'll let you guys take a look. Oh, that is cute. Okay, that is really cute. I love that the horse and the little cow or bull are pink. That is so cute. Oh, I love this like little gold pink. I bet there has to be pink eyeshadow, right? There has to be. There is no pink, y'all. It is blues and browns. And a little bit of green and gold. Oh, I love this. Oh, this is cool. This has a really good weight to it. There is a cute little mirror up here. This is really nice. This palette's really, really pretty too. Oh, I'm really, So let's go ahead and see what else is in here. This was from the Star Ranch palette. Oh, it's a tie-dye shirt. Or at least I think it's a shirt. I'm just guessing. Oh, this is super cute. Oh, it's a tank top. It's a deep-armed tank top, y'all. Yes, a little Jeffree Star tank top. It only has the J-Star logo at the top corner, and that's it. But oh, I'm loving it. Oh, this will be perfect. I just got a Peloton, and I've been like working out really hard on it, and that'll be perfect. What else is in here? I think we got the Jeffree Star, we got the J-Star ball. It's a blow-up beach ball. Cute, cute. Okay, there's just like so much in here. I'm just kind of like pulling whatever comes out. This is a velour liquid lip scrub. This is a velour lip scrub. This one is in Candy Necklace. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, I gotta smell it. I want to know, does it smell like a candy necklace? Oh, look at this cute packaging. This will be my first lip scrub from him, and it looks like this. Oh my gosh, it smells like candy. Straight candy. Oh, this smells so good. I'm just gonna have to keep this over here for the lips. We've got this. What is this? Oh, this is another, the gloss. This is in Heaven's Gate. He really does come up with some of these like really good names. Oh, this is beautiful. It's just like white glitter. Ooh. I'm gonna put a little bit on top of this. But that's very white. It has a very nice pearl to it. So far, I'm really glad I went and got 2 boxes. So I did get their largest box, and I did get the mini as well. So just to keep digging in here, what is this? This is a Supreme gloss, not the gloss. This is a Supreme gloss. This is full pigment lip gloss. This is in Blow My Candles. Oh my god, this is such a cute name. I don't think I've ever seen the Supreme glosses, or at least not to my knowledge. Oh, if I don't drop anything. Okay, this was called Blow My Candles. This is really pretty. It's like a nude. So I'm gonna swatch this one on the back of my hand. Oh, what a very interesting like doe foot applicator. It kind of has like a scoop so it'll hold the product. So I'm just gonna swatch this on the back of my hand as well. She's thick for sure. And it's a very nice nude. I think it would look really good on the liquid lipstick that I got as well. Oh, cool. Oh, I love I'm getting all these new lip stuff. Okay, what else? Okay, oh, this one was already popped open. This is a velour lip liner. This is in Dominatrix. Okay. Ooh, this is such cool packaging. Just so cool. And then this looks like a deep brown, it looks like. So we're gonna do a little, yeah, it is a dark brown. This is what she looks like. This is Dominatrix. It is a dark brown liquid. I need to stop with the word liquid. It is a lip liner. Cool. Okay. What else is in here? We got, oh, some more single eyeshadows. This is in the shade Bite Me, which I feel like is in the Jawbreaker palette and what is on my eyes right now. But then a part of me thinks that this one's called Grape Soda. After doing some research, and by research, I mean going over and grabbing my Jawbreaker palette, I already do have the shade Bite Me. I actually already do have the shade Cute as well, which I did put in here, which is this like turquoisey kind of minty green color. Okay, it's not turquoisey, it's minty green. So I'm probably gonna put that one back in its box and maybe give to one of my sisters, and probably including this Bite Me as well, just because I already have it in my Jawbreaker palette. So yeah, and then this one is Blood Sugar. Ooh, this one looks like a deep copper, and I'll definitely be keeping this because I do not have this. I'm like looking into the Jawbreaker palette now. Oh, this one is really pretty. It's like a kind of like a nice like penny color. It's like a nice like coppery red. I like that they call it Blood Sugar. Like I said, he has really creative names with like his eyeshadows and what he comes up with. And I'm over here dropping it. Oh, and there is one more. And this was it. Oh, this one's Blue Blood. So it is like a true blue. This is not in the Jawbreaker palette, so I will be adding it to my single shadows selection. Oh, this one's really pretty. It's just like a nice blue. Kind of like the ocean or the sky. Okay, and to keep it going, guys. So we've got I believe this is, oh, this one is another velour liquid lipstick. This one does not have a name, but it has like another picture. This one looks like a bowl. This one does look like a little bowl. I'm assuming it's like this kind of like purpley berry color. Again, it does not have a name. It just has the picture of the bowl. Oh, another very wearable color. I would say it does not look anything like this at all. Like at all, but it's literally like the same picture on the top and bottom. So yeah, it is this kind of like, what do you want to, I don't want to call it, it's like pink for sure. Like a salmon, I want to call it salmon. Like a salmon liquid lip. Cute. Okay, so what else is in here? Tissue paper, you guys. An Extreme Frost. And I already kind of could see what else was left in the box. You know, if you can see the little bit of money. So I'm kind of excited and I'm hoping that it's the money palette. But here's the Money Extreme Frost. So this one is the Extreme Frost. It says, tune your face with this just in one swipe, rich and decadent, drenched in glitz, so blinding it hurts. I'm already here for that. It says, beauty tip, finger application suggested, tap on for blinding filter finishes. This does not say, this is, y'all, this one's called Stripper Magic. She's gorgeous. Like, do you see her beaming at you already? Oh my gosh. This is stunning. I've been wanting one of these Extreme Frost. I really wanted the Royal Blood, the Purple Blood, ooh, Bloodlust one. It'll come to me in a second. Just because that one, like, I think that one's called Gag Me. My coworker Hannah, dude, she'd be wearing that every day, and I'm like, every day I think I should just buy it. I just really need to buy it. But this is the Stripper Magic. Look at it. I just love it. And like, the money calls to me. The green, I love it. I'm gonna just put a little bit of this on the back of my hand here, just so you can take a little peek at it. Ooh, look at that green. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, I'm loving it. Absolutely loving it. So excited. Like, look at this. It comes in like a holder. Like, what is this? And it says Blood Money on it. There's obviously a little J-Star logo in it. Oh my, I'm just obsessed. Look at the cute little, just look how cute this is. Look how cute. Oh, okay. Okay, last thing, y'all. It's right here. Now, just because it's wrapped in money does not mean That is the money palette. But in my soul, I'm putting it in the world. Please, with the money palette. Okay, so let's go ahead. And if not, I will be only just a little disappointed. I'm gonna be happy with whatever I get. But yes! I have been dying for this palette, you guys. Just dying. Look at it. It looks like money. Look at this. Look at this holder. Look at how you open this. What? And first off, this is the out. Well, this is the inside packaging, but the out. This is like still packaging. We're not even like at the actual product yet. So let us really take a look at what this palette looks like, because I was so excited. I remember when he launched it, I was like, I want that. And I don't know why I didn't get it, to be honest, because I don't think I've had anything from Jeffree Star yet. I can't even describe to you guys how happy I am that I got this palette. I just so exciting. So look, just look at this. It is what I would say maybe like crocodile skin or something like that. I want to assume it's crocodile with this gold on the corners. Is fantastic. Packaging alone worth it. Just look at it, cute. Okay, so you're gonna squeeze these together and lift up, and it unlocks this stunningly gorgeous palette. Look at these colors. They're literally all different shades of green, which, I mean, greens and a little bit of gold in here. But honestly, I remember him saying when he was like creating this palette that he was looking for greens or things that had greens in it or green tones put into it. And honestly, if you're looking at each one of these, you can see the green that is in each one of these. So it's really hard for me to open the palette all the way, but this is what she looks like. This is absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. I cannot, I'm still maybe just like, I'm in shock. I'm still in shock. Oh my god. I have a point to make in a minute. Ooh, y'all, I'm just like, ooh, just, I love it. I just love it so much. And just the packaging, y'all. The packaging. Okay, so I'm gonna be right back to prove a point. Okay, so I'm not really proving a point, but I wanted to point out something. Just a little bit. So I've got the Blood Money palette. I've got the Extreme Frost from the Blood Money. I have 2 eyeliners from Blood Money. And I also have the Money Honey Mini Liquid Lips. Hello. So clearly they knew. They knew I needed this one. They knew. So thank you, Jeffree Star. Thank you to everyone there. Thank you. Alrighty, y'all, so this completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I am just beyond ecstatic and just so happy I finally got this Blood Money palette and just finally got an Extreme Frost. I'm just so excited. I don't know what to do right now. I'm being so, like, it's just the truth. I'm just so excited. So I will see you guys in the next one. Alrighty, guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.